Are you an unsigned rapper that wants to build fans and make money with their music? If so, watch this short video to the end and I'll show you how. And for those who don't know me, I go by the name of Stackz from My Rap Mentor. I'm a rapper and rap coach and radio host. I specialize in teaching rappers how to rap, build fans, and make money. Now, a lot of you think that you have to be on Drake, Post Malone, The Baby, or even Lil Pump's level to make any decent money, but I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. Now, all you really need is 1,000 hardcore fans to spend $100 on you in a year, whether that's merch, products, music, so on and so on. Or better yet, all you really need is, let's say, 1,000 hardcore fans to spend $10 on you a month, and that will be $120K a year. No label, no management, no shows. Now, that may not make you the richest rapper in the world by any means, but 100 to 120K a year is definitely enough money for you to invest in your career, and who knows, maybe one day sign to a major label. So, if this is something that you're interested in and want to learn how to do, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Also, I will be giving out free monthly radio promo with 1 million listeners only for my subscribers. Let's help each other grow. Peace.